Hello, my sweet friends. Today we're talking about clutter in the round. And imagine being in a theater in the round, where the actors perform to the whole round arena. Well, you, my friend, are in the center of your clutter. So I want you to do this. Stand in the middle of your room. Let's pick the living room. And do a slow turn. And look and see, is there anything in this room that doesn't belong in this room? Number one. Number two, is there anything in this room that belongs in this room but is out of place? You have just done a clutter stop. Now what I want you to do is take a basket with you if your house is really out of control. Anything that doesn't belong in that room goes in the basket. Anything that belongs in that room and is out of place goes in its place, or you can have your children put them in their place. Go to the next room and do the same thing. So you want to at least do your bathroom, the hall bathroom, your living room, your kitchen, your master bedroom, and the kids' rooms. Just do a clutter in the round. That's it for today. Make it a great day.